We are going to continue with Chapter 4, and we are going now to conditionals. Rules for the sentences containing tildes, conditionals, and biconditionals. And let's just remember our conditional decomposition rule. Conditional decomposition rule is going to be like this: if P, then Q. Now you should have these down, but if you don't, then get them down now. Not P or Q. You separate it into those two possibilities. It's the conditional decomposition. Negated conditional decomposition is not the case that if P then Q. Separates out into P and not Q. Biconditional decomposition. P if and only if Q branches. P and Q or not P and not Q. Biconditional decomposition. Negated biconditional decomposition. P if and only if Q branches. P not Q or not P and Q. So here's approximately what you should have. Sentential truth tree rules. You have the negated tilde, or the negated negative. Oh, that's not even going to work. Anyways, you have the negated negative, which is a silly little one at the top. You have your ampersand rules, disjunction rules, your conditional rules, and your biconditional rules. And this is page 117, so congratulations if you made it this far. We are going to learn how to construct trees now with conditionals and biconditionals in them. Now we have a first easy example, of course, to start us off. If A then B, if B then A, and not A. See if you can get this before I get it done. So we have if A occurs, B occurs. If B occurs, A occurs, A fails. And that's our 3 lines assumptions. Okay, pause the video and do your best. Line 4. Not A occurs and B occurs. Is there 2 options from what line? From line 1, conditional decomposition. So we're done with line 1. And now we're going to do line 2, conditional decomposition. With all our open branches, which we have 2, so we're going to have to branch out 4 times to say not B or A. Not B or A. And that's our line 2, conditional decomposition. Not B, not A, not A. We're fine. A, not A. Uh-oh, close it. So we have to close A and not A. How about B and not B here? Yeah, we're going to have to close that. So there's only one truth value assignment. That's if A and B both fail. Okay, here's another one for the same set. I should have just... And we're going to immediately branch. We're going to say on line 4 now. We're going to say B fails and A occurs, A not A. So we're closing that branch right now. Now this is line 2, conditional decomposition. Now in the previous video we did the line 1 conditional decomposition first, but this time we're doing line 2 conditional decomposition. And look what we did. We closed a branch already. So now we can just decompose line 1 conditional decomposition, in only one open branch on line 5. And we get, of course, what do we get from that? We get not A, but B. Now we can close B, not B right there. So not A, not B, not A. So we get the same results, but we just had to do one less branch. Now you can imagine, I mean, we've got a simple little thing here. So you can imagine how it's important to close branches off as soon as possible, so you're not doing unnecessary multiplied work. Because there's no reason to go ahead and bring 3 or 4 branches down under this possibility if this possibility is going to contradict as soon as you get line 2 out there. So go ahead and get line 2 out there and close that branch, or whatever, you know, the case may be.